If you're a YouTuber or you intend to start up your YouTube channel, then you need to see this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by once again. And if you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post another video. So let's get right into it. From the title, you know what we're going to do in this video. First, you would have to record your video in this form with a plain background before you edit into this background. So there are different video editing apps and softwares used for editing videos, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to show you one app you need to create a beautiful and creative artificial background that you need for your videos. So the app I'll be using to show you this is the CapCut. I'm sure you all are familiar with it, and other editing apps like the InShot, Canva, KineMaster, and all of that. But you need just CapCut to do this. Now let's get right into it. So to get our background picture, we'll go to Google to type Leonardo AI to get AI pictures. You can choose to use random pictures of your choice, but you can go to AI websites to get them. So after typing Leonardo AI, this is where it will bring you to. There's a need for you to register, but if you don't want to, you can just go ahead to generate an image. So on the search column, you can type the kind of image you want. So we are searching for a beautiful sitting room, and you click on generate and hold on for it to generate the images. This will take a few seconds to load, and when it comes up, you see that it's the picture you don't like, then you can always change. So when these pictures came up, I didn't really like them, so I had to type again for more options, and this time around I said a beautiful sitting room with green flowers, and I clicked on generate. So hold on for it to generate images. Again, I didn't like these pictures. They are too shouty, the colors. So I changed it to a sitting room with palm flower vase, and I think I got what I wanted. Yes, so this is it. It's not too sophisticated, it's simple and classy. So you click on download and the picture will save in your gallery. Then you go out of the website, go to your CapCut and begin editing. So you click on new project, you go to photos. Instead of the video you want to edit, you click on photos and you pick the image you downloaded and you take it to the editing platform. Then you drag it according to the minutes of the video. You can always adjust that. So you go to the options below this image, that's the editing options. So we get to the option of blurring the image because we have to blur it to make it appealing. Yes, you click on blur image, then you drag it down, and this is what you get. So we're going to add the video now. You click on overlay and go to the video options, then bring or pick the video of your choice and take it to the edited image. So I'm going to the folder that has the video I want to add to the image. I've picked a video, so I'll add it to the image so we can edit it too. Here you place the video in the exact place you want it to be. You can always adjust it. So but for now, let's take off the background of the video first. You go down, you see the options where they write remove BG. Click on auto removal and this is what we have. Now that we have the video on our background image, you can stretch it till the end to see if the video time length aligns with the image. If it doesn't, then you adjust it. If you wish to add text or any other thing, then you check the editing options, but as it is, you don't need too much. Okay, so you go to save options and you drag it to the highest saving quality and save your video to device. This doesn't take too much time and you have your video. Okay, I'm sure that was fast and easy, right? Great. So if you're trying this out, make sure while recording you use a plain background to film your video. Again, it doesn't have to be the CapCut app. You can use InShot to do that. I feel CapCut has more features and it's more flexible to use. So let me know if you find this video useful. Give it a thumb up, kindly share and subscribe if you haven't. And if you watched till this very end, I would like to say thank you so much for watching and for watching till the end. Okay, bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.